This sick. Put it out. And on top of me. Cause it's on my back.
You still hailing? Oh man, it stopped, I think. Oh no, it didn't. This is so cool. Are you taking video?
Yeah. Look at the grin, my friends. I call that sick. I love it though.
Look at that.
I know. That's what I caught a video of. Look at.
Cleaned up.
I love it. Oh my god, what if I had to walk home in this? That would suck. Look at where this is found. It's cool. Love it. We should have saw it this morning because the wave, and like it was pushing all the water up.
The what?
I mean, you know how the wind comes and then it pushes the water? That's what it looks like over there. It was sick. I love this.
How long? It was like shit. How long can the videos be?
20. Well, I have some videos I can delete, and it takes like 35 minutes. It's pretty long for this kind of camera.
Do you have a video or do you have a what's it called? A memory card?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's what I mean. That's what I got.
yeah.
What if there's
Ooh,
thunder?
hailing again.
Hey, it's cool. Oh! Oh, where'd it go?
Did you catch that on camera?
No! I got the light though. Coming from behind us.
Dude, what if it hits us? We don't need that anymore.
Yeah. Look at my umbrella.
It's hella hailing.
It's in your hair. Want the umbrella?
Yeah.
Dude, it's in your hair.
Look at it. It looks like fucking salt.
It does.
Damn, it's a worm.
Come, Amanda. Oh, I feel it. Look at the hair. We're so gangster. Man, it's on your shoes. Look it. Let me see. Get closer. I want to see that. Here are the cars. Hey, we're retards. Todd looking at us like, what the heck are we doing? Little kids. I haven't seen it like this in like San Jose ever.
Huh?
I've never seen it like this in San Jose ever.
I have. I've seen big ass chunks of hail.
Trying to see if I can catch the lightning. Again.
I'm gonna stay out here and look, like, see if there's any lightning. You want your umbrella?
No. My umbrella looks cool though.
Ooh, cold. It's still hailing. There's a hair on this.
The hair. Where? All I hear is the thunder, not.
Okay. Lightning's gonna happen right now.
Man, what if it hits you?
Fuck you.
I'm trying to hear from what side it is.
Watch, it's gonna hit right now.
Yeah, that kind of counts to where. Lightning! All I want is lightning.
No, the hail stopped. It's just raining now.
Man. Oh well.
Okay, I'll be right back. You're gonna stay out here?
Yeah, see if I can catch the lightning. Here, take that inside.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Don't close the door on me.
Yeah, I'll leave it open like this.
Potty.
Huh? Yeah.
Potty. Come on, lightning. Ah, it's so great. Look at The clouds are moving.
It couldn't stop raining.
I know.
I'm going back inside now.
Yeah.
That's boring.